Hi, good morning. Again, I welcome you back in today's linear equation session number 4. In this session, we all are going to learn another method of solving linear equation named elimination method. Before we start with elimination method, I hope you all have tried some questions of substitution method. One question you can see on the board as well. Root 2x plus root 3y is equals to 0 and root 3x minus root 8y is equals to 0. And you have to solve it by using substitution method. So I'm actually going to solve this question in this session as well. But I expect you all to pause the video and try and verify your answers. You may find this question difficult, but believe me, it is so very simple question and surprising answers at the end. So if you get, check after solving, not before solving. So now I'm solving it. I can wait for a few seconds. Till the time you can pause the video and try solving it. So 3 seconds I'm waiting. 1, 2, 3. Pause the video. Okay. Now by this time, you all must have solved the question. Let me solve it as well. So I'll take equation number 1 to substitute. I may choose x or y, anything to substitute. So I'll go for x this time. I get root 2x plus root 3y is equals to 0, which gives me root 2x is equals to root 3y with minus sign. So x is equals to minus root 3y upon root 2. Now this value of x I'm going to put in second now equation. Putting it in equation 2. What do we get? We get, I'll write first of all equation number 2, root 3x minus root 8y is equals to 0. I'll be putting this value, x as this. So what do I get? Root 3 as it is here. Instead of writing x, I'm going to write minus root 3y upon root 2 minus root 8y is equals to 0. I hope you understand. And now multiplying this root 3 and this root 3, I get 3y with minus sign upon root 2 minus root 8y is equals to 0. Now I can go for cross multiplying. It is upon 1. So solving fraction with the cross multiplying, I get minus 3y minus root 8 into root 2. Root 8 into root 2 is root 16 and root 16 is 4. So it is 4y upon root 2 is equals to 0. I can shift this root to this side. It's going to become minus 7y, adding this 2, is equals to root 2 into 0 is going to be equal to 0. Y is equals to 0 upon minus 7 and the answer is 0. Exactly. It's a very simple answer of such a heavy question. I got y is equals to 0. Putting this y value in again the substituted expression, I may get x value. So x is equals to minus root 3 into 0, yes, y 0 upon root 2. So 0 into anything is 0 again. So again I get x is equals to 0 as well. And that's it. This is what the answer of the equation x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. Isn't it? It was a very simple example, right? Okay, anyway, so we can begin now the actual method of this session, that is elimination method. So let's get started for elimination method. Make sure that you understand this method very properly, because throughout this topic we are actually going to use only and only elimination method. So let's start. What exactly does it mean? Elimination means the exactly same that we have to eliminate one of the variable. So how will you eliminate? Eliminate means to remove. How do exactly we do that? So I'll just take one example and I'll show you. Imagine x plus y is equals to 7 and x minus y is equals to 1. These are my two equations. And if I have to solve this by elimination method, what exactly I have to do here? I have to eradicate, remove any one of the variable, either x or y. Then how do I remove it? I have to remove this by using either the operation addition or the operation subtraction. So here I would try addition. So I'll write that adding equation 1 and 2. So if I add them, what do I get? Let's try. See, x and x if I add, I get 2x. Oh wow, surprisingly, plus y and minus y is getting cancelled. I hope you got it, that we have eliminated y here. Plus y minus y is 0. Is equals to, don't forget to add this as well, 7 plus 1 is 8. So what do I get? X is equals to 4. So simple, with the very next step I got the answer, x is equals to 4. But how about y? How can I find y now? Oh, can I substitute this x is equals to 4 in any of the equation above to get y value? Yes, I can do that. So I'll just mention here. Substituting x is equals to 4 in equation. Which equation? 1 or 2 or any? Yes, right. Any equation. So for me it is easy. Equation number 1. So I'll put in equation number 1. You can put in any and try. So what do I get in if I put x is equals to 4 in equation number 1? X plus y is equals to 7 is my equation number 1. So 4 plus y is equals to 7. Shifting 4 the other side, I get y is equals to 7 minus 4. Y is equals to 3. So therefore, I get x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 3. And that's the method. Isn't it? It is easiest method? Yes. Elimination method is one of the easiest method to solve linear equation. But here we add it. Do you think always we have to add two equations to get elimination? May not be. For example, if I choose my equations in this way, x plus 3y is equals to 8 and x plus 9y is equals to 14. Now how can I solve these equations? Just imagine if I add these two equations. I'm not solving it, I'm just showing you. If I add these two equations, x plus x is going to be 2x plus 9 plus 3 is going to be 12y. 8 plus 14 is equals to 22. Is any variable is eliminated? No. Then it is not a correct way to solve the equation. Then what to do? Is that so that this equation cannot be solved? No, you're wrong. Instead of adding the two equations, what if we subtract two equations? Correct? So I can subtract equation 2 from 1. Can I do that? Let's try. Subtraction, I think you have seen in your polynomial topic last year for division. Isn't it ways to subtract? While subtracting, we to change the sign of the next expression. So here also, we would do the same thing. We are actually going to change the sign of the equation number 2. So x will take minus sign, 9 will take minus sign, and 14 also is going to take minus sign. Now let us consider these signs for operation. So let us try first one, x minus x. Of course 0, yes, I got my x eliminated this time. 3y minus 9y, it is minus 6y. And 14 minus 8 is minus 6. Greater number sign. You can check. 14 minus 8 is minus 6. right? So what do I get? Y is equals to minus 6 upon minus 6, which is 1. So I got y is equals to 1. Isn't it simple? Now I can put this value of y as 1 in any of the equation above. So last time I put it in equation number 1, this time I'll put in equation number 2. Putting y is equals to 1 in equation second. If I put it in equation number second, so what do I get? I'll write first of all equation number second. X plus 9y is equals to 14. So I get x plus 9 into 1 is equals to 14. 9 into 1 is 9. Shifting the other side, 14 minus 9. So I get x is equals to 5. So therefore, I got x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 1 as my solution. Isn't it? This was interesting, right? Good. Let me try some difficult example than these. Let's try some other examples as well. Okay. This time, you can help me in solving the question. Fine? Let us see how many of you can answer before I write it on the board. I have x plus 5y is equals to 2 and 7x plus 5y is equals to 14 as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now my first question to you is, which variable can be eliminated easily, whether x or y? Yes, correct. It is y. Can you tell me why y can be eliminated? The reason is coefficients are same. So it's easy to eliminate whose coefficients are same. Then whether it is to be added or to be subtracted to get this y eliminated? Yes, your answer is correct. It is to be subtracted. Now how do I have to understand? If the signs are same, then we have to subtract, but natural. And if signs are different, for example, if instead of this plus, it was minus, so I have to add to eliminate the variable, right? Okay, I'll just keep the question as it is, plus 5y. So what do I have to do? Tell me again. I have to subtract two equations. So subtracting equation 2 from 1. Subtraction means you know that very well that I have to change the sign of the next expression, minus, minus, and here also minus. Keep your answer with the proper presentation. So let me subtract it. X minus 7x, it is minus 6x, plus 5y minus 5y, yes, it is eliminated, is equals to minus 14 plus 2 is minus 12. So what is x is equals to then? Minus 12 upon minus 6, the answer is 2. Putting this in any of the equation. So putting it in equation 1, I liked equation number 1. So I got x plus 5y is equals to 2. X as 2. 2 plus 5y is equals to 2. Okay. Shifting for the other side. Oh, interesting. 5y is equals to 2 minus 2. What is 2 minus 2? 0. What is y is equals to? 0 upon 5. Answer is 0. So therefore, I got x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 0 is my solution. I hope you understood this and you like the method as well. Right? Let's try some difficult question. I'll just undo it. Let's try some difficult question. Now, for an example, there can be some equations where neither by adding and nor by subtracting you can able to solve it. Then what to do? I'll just show you the example. Concentrate. We have x plus y is equals to 5 and 2x plus 3y is equals to 14. equation number 1, equation number 2. Now what do you think? If I add them, just for sake of doing, I'll just do it and show you. If I add these two, it is 3x plus 4y is equals to something like 19. Not getting eliminated, right? Then I would try the subtraction. Okay. Minus, minus, minus. Is it getting subtracted? Yes, but is it getting eliminated? No. Minus x minus 2y is equal to something. I think you can easily understand here the elimination is not possible by adding as well as subtracting. Then what to do? Rather, first of all, I will ask the question, why this time that these equations are not getting or not giving me chance of elimination? The reason here is coefficients of any of the variable is not same. Any of the variable. Neither for x nor for y the coefficient is same. I hope you got it. So what I can do now, I can try to make the coefficient same. So how can I do that? Okay, so first of all I'll decide whose coefficient I'm supposed to make it same. So imagine I consider I have to make x coefficient same. So I would multiply the equation number 1 by 2. Okay, so multiplying equation 1 by 2, which is allowed. So if I multiply this equation number 1 by 2, what do I get? Let's see. Okay, 2x plus 2y. Please don't forget to multiply to 5 as well. 5 into 2 is 10. And now this is going to become my equation number 3. Check it out. This is my equation number 2 and this is my equation number 3, which is new. Okay. Now, did I get the coefficient same in these two equations? From equation number 2 and 3? Now what I have to do to eliminate these variable, eliminate these terms, add or subtract? Can you answer me? Yes, exactly correct. I have to subtract. So I'll subtract equation number, subtracting equation 3 from 2. What do we get? Sign changing, right? Don't forget to change the sign. If it is minus, it becomes plus, and if it is plus, it becomes minus. 2x minus 2x, yes, it is getting cancelled. 3y minus 2y, right, it's y. And 14 minus 10, you are correct, it is 4. And that's it, the answer is ready for you. Now putting this value, putting y is equals to 4 in any of the three equations, 1, 2 and 3, anything is okay. Whatever I find easy, there I'll put. So according to me, equation number 1 is easy. I'll put in equation number 1. I'll write equation number 1, x plus y is equals to 5, y as 4, so x plus 4 is equals to 5, x is equals to 1. So what are my solutions here? X is equals to 1 and y is equals to 4 are my solutions. I hope you got this method as well. This method is known as elimination method. Now for this, you need to practice a lot. So what I can suggest, that's it for today. You can try elimination method, question number 1, 2, 3 from the worksheet. Try all the questions from this. Surely I'll send the solutions, maybe only answers. Whatever doubt you find, you can quickly send me the message on the WhatsApp. I will send you the solution of that same question. So today's homework is elimination method, question number 1, 2 and 3. I hope positively you will solve all the questions and give me the correct answers. Thank you so much. Bye for today. We'll see you tomorrow, session number 5 and 6. Thank you all. Bye bye.